I get it. You're feeling drained, but it's not because you lack energy. It's because your energy has no direction. It doesn't know where to go. See, when you're focusing on multiple things in multiple directions, your energy is going to flow in dispersed, meaning minute, meaning small amounts. It's going to be like you have 10 cups, one pitcher of water that can fill up one cup, but you can't fill up all of them at once because guess what? You don't have enough in your pitcher. Imagine your pitcher is supposed to fill up 3 cups and you're supposed to fill it up only 3 at a time, and you're going trying to fill up all 10. You're gonna be like, why are none of them completed? Why is nothing full, right? And you're not gonna feel fulfilled entirely because you're not doing what you said you're gonna do. When you don't direct your energy, someone else is taking it from you and redirecting it for you. So how do we fix this? How do we solve that? What's the solution? Well, stay tuned, I got you. So here's the trick to it all. You have to wake up every morning and set one clear intention. Where is your energy going? Where your focus goes, your energy goes. It's like a telescope. When you look through a telescope, you can only see what's through the lens of the scope. So if you're focusing on so many different things, your energy is broken, it's divided. It can't see everything all at once. So it's using it in small amounts in different areas and fractions. And that's not what you want to have. What you want to do is set one clear intention and just sit with it every morning. Every morning, sit with this intention, right? Have a new one. And until you get it done, or until you fulfill this intention, you shouldn't go anywhere else. You shouldn't be distracted in anything else. So the next thing is this. I need you to sit down with yourself and audit where is your energy going right now, presently. Go on your phone, see where all the time is going, if it's on social media, if it's on a different app, if it's on this or that. Go into your social circles and settings and see where is your energy being dispersed or being distracted. Is it being pulled from your friends? Is it being pulled from your family? Is it being pulled from some of your habits? Where is your energy leaking from? Imagine you have a cup and water is your energy and there's a hole at the bottom and it's leaking. Where is it going? You're not gonna be able to keep your cup full because it's leaking. So you wanna keep your cup full and overflow. This is not the case when you're distracting yourself and it's leaking from your cup. That plane was red. Can you see it? Look at that. I'll be trying to do like imaginary things like shing, right? That's a distraction right there. For instance, I can't do this video. I can't focus on giving you this full attention and energy because the plane was coming by and I was distracted on this video and the plane. My energy was divided into 2. You get what I'm saying? And so while I was trying to focus on you guys and give you all the energy necessary, that plane was also in the background and I didn't know what to do, right? So I paused for a second and I couldn't get everything I needed to get done efficiently. There are other circumstances in life just like this. I'm feeling good today, man. I'm feeling good. It's a little not sunny. I wouldn't say it's gloomy. Some people call this gloomy weather. I don't. It looks beautiful. It's calm. It's peaceful. All right. Last but not least, though, when you set these clear intentions, I need you to make sure that you have a redirection from your distractions into an intentional goal. And I do mean goal. No, don't just have an intention. I have a goal. And a goal is something you're gonna have a specific time. It's measurable. You're able to achieve it. It's relatable or it's relevant to what you're doing. And it's in a timely based manner. Like you're gonna do it by this time. If you can allow yourself to see that your goals are being measured, they're being achieved, you're intentionalizing your focus towards your goals and it's not towards something else. And it's something that actually moves you. I want to be key on that, right? It moves you. There's something inside of you that pushes you to do it or calls you to do it or have it done. Sometimes you're not going to want to do it. That's the whole purpose of intention. The next thing you have to do is master your distractions by being disciplined. So the goal is to help you be disciplined so you have a direction to aim to. Ping, right here. You want to hit this target. If you don't hit this target, you're probably aiming somewhere else, right? And you can aim at this direction in this target and still miss. That's all it takes is more focus, more discipline, more familiarity, more consistency. So you have to be intentional. If you're not intentional, you can put your telescope anywhere and it's gonna look wherever it wants to look. But when you're intentional, you're gonna be like, oh, I wanna look at Mars. Where's Mars at? Oh, it's over there. So I'm gonna aim it over there and look and see Mars through the telescope. So again, you want to be intentional. Set in a clear intention every morning. You want to do energy audits, see where your energy is being leaked from, and then you want to have redirection of your intention to your goals. As always, stay blessed, stay beautiful. Peace.